this is the only strategy that you need, and you can see here in these mounts I have like 4 win strike until now, 8% gain, 100% win rate. So hope this mount will continue like clean. Let's see. But the trade today, I will break down now, was a clean shot. And as you can see here, what we have a support, okay, body too weak because it's bearish bullish. But here I have I can update to here because it's more fresh, okay. And what we have more, I have here another resistance because it's a bullish and a bearish. And this candle, as you can see, the next candle, this candle didn't have this week when I started the trade, okay, so I can't include this week when I mark the zones. And I have this zone too, bearish bullish, and this zone too, bullish bearish. And the next one, if you want to draw, is like these zones all because they are inside of each other's, okay. I don't want to sell in this zone. So yeah, we have basically our 4-hour obstacles, roadblocks, as you can as you can name it. You have this one too, as you can see, bullish bearish, body too weak. But if I check to the left, I will include this consolidation because I don't want to buy here. It's like too risky, okay. So basically I have these zones. Next I go to the 5 minutes, and as you can see, after the indice open, price just decided to melt and drop very hard. Price struggled a lot to close above the 4-hour. As you can see, price never closed above the 4-hour, and until price close above the 4-hour, these sales inside this zone will be valid, okay. So what zones I had after the indice open, I marked this resistance because it's a bullish and a bearish, so valid for buys. For sales, I had this one first. Why? Because it's near to the SMA, and if this candle closes below the zone and at the same time below the SMA, I will enter. The next zone is this one, and the next zone is this one, okay. Support. And the zone I got my entry was basically from this one, okay, 50 pips. And as you can see, what we have here, we have a break, a retest. Price was a bit in drawdown, but next price just flipped bearish and hit my TP, as you can see, like so fast. And look what price did after. Price just retested the 4-hour zone like 2 times and just go up. So was a nice and clean shot for sure, yeah. And basically was that. As you can see, we are below the moving average. The first sell limit you can put is like here, and is normal because price respected the zone and the SMA. So I was expecting a retest here to price just continue down, but what price did was closed below this zone instead, okay. And what we have, a retest on the next candle. I was a bit in drawdown, and next just TP like fast. If I go to the 1 minute, let's see how many minutes was this try to hit the TP. Was basically let me see, 5 minutes, yeah, 1 2 3 minutes to hit the TP. So it's good because it's inside the prop firm rules. You need to have at least 1 minute, hold the trade at least 1 minute on the 50% of your total trades. So yeah, basically the strategy is very simple. It's always the same, repeat every single day. So hope you understand the strategy. This is a strategy that made me funded. If you didn't check the previous video, check, because I went like step by step on, not the step by step, I went like trade by trade, all the trades that made me funded with the new challenge I created to show you live. So I showed all the trades before and after, and yeah, I passed to prove that 1 hour and simple strategy works and scalping works. So everything works. You just need to follow your trading plan, and hope you understand this video. And don't forget to subscribe and leave the like, because I will continue to bring more and more content, and I will make a announce from my new service I will have. I hope you guys will enjoy, because we'll go like more in details about the strategy. So will be very good to have you inside. So yeah, see you guys.